2, 3, 4. Hi guys, seejanesweat here. We're about to do today's workout, and today's workout is a crunchless core ab workout, okay? We'll go ahead and get started with the first move is our plank taps, and it looks like this. You want to get down on the low plank position, and you're going to tap your feet out on each side, okay? We're doing 20 of these, one on each side. That's 1. Engage core. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay guys, your next move is Superman's, and it looks like this. You want to get down on the floor on your belly. Extend your hands above your head, your feet out, and you're going to come up, hold, and come back down, okay? If that's too hard, you can do like alternating arm and leg, or you can do simply the front or simply the back, okay? We're doing 20 of these. Engage your core. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay guys, your next move is called the Russian twist. So you want to go ahead and grab a medicine ball or a dumbbell, anything with some weight on it. Now you don't have to use weights for this, but what you're going to do is sit with your legs up in the air, your feet crossed. Take the weight, if you have weight, and you're going to twist, tap, and tap. And if you don't have weights, you can just simply tap with your hands. Okay? We're doing 20 of these, 1 on each side is 1. Engage core. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hey guys, your next move is called the 100s, and it looks like this. You want to get down on the floor. You want to come up into something like the boat position, okay? Your legs are up, and you're going to be like this, and you're going to pat your arms down like this as you count to 100, okay? Engage core. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 74, 75, 76, 77, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 96, 97, 98, 99. Okay guys, your next move is the Leaning Camel. And so you're going to go ahead and grab your medicine ball or your weight if you have any. And basically you're going to hold your weight in front of you. And you're going to lean back and come back up, okay? Keeping that core engaged. We're doing 20 of these. Engage your core. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay guys, this is your final move. It's called the dead bug. And it looks like this. When you get down on the floor, lay on your back, bring your knees up, have your hands to your knees. Basically, you're going to stretch your right leg out and your right arm out. Bring it up. Switch sides. Okay? We're doing 20 of these. One on each side is 1. Engage your core. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Okay guys, that is round 1 of your workout. You want to repeat this 2 more times. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I will see you next week for your next workout. You have an awesome day. Bye.